I'm Ranger Kevin Kleiberg from Blackstone River Valley National Historical Park. And today I'm at one of my favorite places in the valley, the Wilkinson Mill in Pawtucket, Rhode Island.
The Wilkinsons were part of Pawtucket's ironworking community in the late 1700s. They ran several iron shops, turning raw iron ore into bar iron, and then crafting those bars into items like anchors and tools. Oziel Wilkinson and his son David were recruited by Samuel Slater to create the first water-powered textile machines in America. This was the beginning of a professional and personal relationship with Samuel Slater. Indeed, Sam Slater later married Hannah Wilkinson. In 1810, the Wilkinsons built this handsome stone mill. The first floor of the mill was a machine shop, while the upper two floors were used for cotton spinning. The star attraction of the mill is its wooden water wheel. The wheel is 12 feet wide, 9 feet high, and weighs about 8 tons. It's a mid-breast wheel, and that means that the water enters the wooden buckets about halfway up the wheel, and then the weight of the water starts pushing it down. As the wheel spins, the original buckets point downward, and the water drains out. Water keeps flowing onto the wheel, keeping it spinning. Once the wheel itself is moving, its power is transferred upstairs by a series of gears and drive shafts. Up here in the Wilkinson machine shop, we can see how the water wheel's power is put to work. Belts connect the individual machines to drive shafts. This allows many machines to be used at the same time. Sliding the belt from a neutral free wheel onto the drive wheel transfers the spinning motion of the drive shaft to the machine, letting it do work. This shop was used to build and repair machines. The Wilkinsons built machines that made other machines. One example is a screw-cutting lathe like this one. David Wilkinson invented the screw-cutting lathe in 1798. Before then, all screws and bolts had to be hand-cut. Now, identical screws could be mass-produced with speed and precision. This, in turn, allowed them to make textile machines faster and more precise. The Wilkinson family and their mill are great examples of the ingenuity and enterprise that launched the American Industrial Revolution.